right, guys, we got a 2013 Chevy Corvette for Mr. Demon Vibes. You see him in the background. There it is. It's got a full Corsa wide body kit on it. Full Corsa system with a wide body kit, Hennessey supercharger, which is about 800 horsepower. You guys can hear it's got the wide body kit. Look at that, it's just sexy. The wide fenders, wide fender flares. There. This is what it sounds like with the Corsa system. Go ahead. There's the sound decibels on it. Right at 120. We're gonna do a full straight pipe on it. You guys see that word? Hennessey, baby. Hennessey in Tennessee. The best. Got my boy Delanie Walker. Demon Vibes. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. We're gonna hook him up. I'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. Full course. There she is. So as you guys can see, there's the Corvette. It's still got factory converters on it. There and there, we're gonna put 2 high flows there instead of the secondaries. We're gonna eliminate the X pipe. He wants it as loud as possible. It's all a 3-inch system. Then it's got the Corsa axle back right there and there. Out the back, we're gonna delete the Corsas and put some nicer tips on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second after. We'll show you what we did to it. But there's the Corsa. It's not loud enough at all. And with the X pipe and the stock cats, it's just not loud enough. So we showed you guys what it looked like before with the Corsa system on this Corvette Hennessey. This is what we did after. Put 2 high flow cats, the factory converters there. Secondaries are high flow now, 3-inch pipe. Then continued the 3-inch, continued the axle back 3-inch from the Corsa, and then added a rear muffler delete on each side, there and there. Took the 2 Corsas out, as you guys can see right there, and put some 4-inch quad tips to complete the look. Just make it look really nice, really clean, as you guys can see right there. It came out absolutely beautiful. There's that Hennessey ZR-1. Very sexy. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Make sure you guys hit him up and tell him Exhaust Addict sent you. Demon Vibes. All right, make sure you guys hit him up. Go ahead. There we go. That's the sound you're looking for. You want me on camera? Is that the sound you like?
But I want it right there. You already know, baby.
Give it gas. That's the sound. You know it's loud when he has to close his ears. Yeah, there we go, man. It was missing that. Yeah. Again? 124, bro. 125. That's it. Let him back it up. Look at that chop. Oh. And they say Corsa's nice. That's it. Look at his face.
That's it right there.
Again, make sure you guys follow him, okay? Let him know the Exhaust Addict sent you. Let you guys hear it on the inside. There's that motor, baby. That's where it's at, baby. Demon Vibes in the flesh. Chevy Corvette. wide body kit. It's clean. Carbon fiber throughout. ZR-1. 60th anniversary. Sorry guys. Woo! Enjoy, guys.